Okay, we've got a big shot today. The 100 years BMW photo shoot. So it is 6:30. Alright, we're gonna need about 50 people to do this shot, so a whole bunch of these folks who are camping here and at the lodge, they're gonna have to want to get up at now and get there for the shot by 7:30. Hope they can do it. Yeah, so Jill Vaverka brought this idea back from Germany. They just did this to celebrate 100 years in Munich, I think it was. So the idea came to do it here too. So we're gonna make it happen. Good morning. Imagine all these bikes lined up to form the number 100 to celebrate 100 years of BMW Motorrad. Let's do this. And it's cold, probably 45 degrees. And it's really wet out here. But let's make this happen. It is just before 7 o'clock and it is 37 degrees out. There's a little layer of fog in the valley. Skies are clear, so hopefully it will burn off like it did yesterday in time for the shot. Got to keep our fingers crossed. All right, Jill, we ready for this?
Sure. Yes, it's going to be great.
This is going to be awesome, right?
I think it's even going to be better than Munich.
Let's do it.
We're going to kill it. We're going to kill it.
Look at this. We got folks coming in already, the organizers getting ready to set this up. We already got the one 1250 RS, classic GS, newer GS, ST. Oh, look at this thing. R65 in blue, K, GTL, another big old GS, looks like an adventure. And a classic GT.
Kind of parallel with the one that's down there. John, this is Muriel.
Hey Muriel. Oh, glad you're here. This is going to be so fun. Wait, so how old is Muriel?
80 something.
Wow.
And when she came today to me when we first got together at the rally, she said, I was beginning to think that this might be my last rally.
Wow.
And I'm like, we have to do something.
Yeah, yes.
So,
Oh, awesome.
anyhow, she's
great.
a dear, dear friend.
Very, very
all
cool.
of us.
On the yellow line. Watch the front wheel right there.
We got a beautiful setting this morning. We're short a few bikes, but we still got time. We lured people with coffee and donuts.
And you came through. Much appreciated.
Yeah, thank you for coming, man. We got a dog in the shot too. Look at this. Ha ha.
It's Azra. Azra. She's from Turkey. It's a Turkish girl's Turkish name.
Oh, hey Ezra, how are you, Ezra? You're gonna be in a famous shot. How's that feel? I don't think you care so much, but that's all right. It's 7:36, 7:37. We have the one complete. We've got the sun coming up. We've got one of the zeros done. And we got another zero being made. Look at this. We're going right down the heart of the zero. How cool is this? Hey, someone snuck who snuck the V-Strom in here? This is beautiful.
Beautiful.
Ah, both of these. Sun's about to come over here.
Oh,
Bam!
good.
Yes. The sun's about to light this place up. Come on. Yes. It's going to light this place up. We're almost there, guys. Look at this. We might fill the zero with those folks. Get over here.
Did you tell the airheads?
I hope someone told the airheads. All right, all right. Were they still sober?
Yeah, it was early.
All right, good. Oh, Al's here. Hey. Oh, just a little something. A little gathering, coffee and donuts.
Yeah, I had a donut.
Look how glorious this is, Al.
It's glorious.
Look at this. We got the sun coming up. We're almost there. We're getting there. All these good folks came in for coffee and donuts and are going to be part of this awesome, awesome shot. All right, we got enough motorcycles. We actually have more than enough motorcycles. We had the sun hitting the one. We got everyone queued up. I think we're almost ready to shoot. All right, folks, let's do this. Everyone, stay on the curb, everyone. On the curb, everyone. On the curb. All right, everyone. Can I have your attention for a minute? Hey, I want everyone to know that New Jersey pizza is the best pizza, first of all. Secondly, thank you all for being here. This is going to be an epic, epic shot, one that we'll be talking about for years and decades to come. We'll be long gone and people will be looking at this photo that we're taking. So again, thanks for coming. A little bit about what we're going to do. We're waiting for the sun to rise just a little bit more so that the one gets hit by the sun. So we get even light across all the numbers. And so the first shot is going to be a sequence, stills and videos of just the bikes in their place. Probably take me about 15-20 minutes. Drone flying all over the place, getting those shots. And then the next shot is everyone by their bikes. So after that first sequence of shots is done, I'm going to ask you all to go to your bikes, helmets off, and then as the drone passes by you or overhead, be sure to wave or smile or jump like you just bought a Toyota. And we'll be good. So we're waiting for a couple other folks to arrive. We're waiting for the sun to hit the one, and then we're gonna make this happen. All right, guys?
Thank you.
Everyone's gone. And now, just check to see if it's all working out. What a morning.